managed to score this one off of eBay from Canada. So it's made a little bit of a journey to get here for this unboxing video. So you can see the box didn't do too well on the way here, but hey, can't complain considering how many miles I traveled. I like it when the package is nice and easy to work with. Got a little bit of weight to it. It's pretty solid feeling. Looks a little dirty. I think the seller said it was new, but thinking this guy was displayed. That's okay. Still has the tape on the door. That's got to be the most pathetic rotors I think I've ever seen on a 1/8 scale model. That's unreal. Wow. Well, I mean, at least they try. The rotor turns with inside the caliper. The caliper is just way too small. Yeah. No. So take a look at the chassis. It's very interesting how detailed that piece is. Kind of a gloss oil pan. The engine is kind of weird. It's number 176, made by Greenlight. So the exhaust is a separate piece. Does it actually connect to the engine? Actually, it looks like it goes all the way to the engine and actually attaches to it. That's actually really cool. I like that. So the chassis is actually pretty well detailed. I don't know what that's for. Not sure if they were attempting to do a sway bar or not. Suspension does not move at all. It does turn at least. I can't get over those rotors. Ugh. So, take a look at the trunk. Very plain and simple. Nice little detail right there. Getting the grooves. So, yeah, there's no carpet or anything in there. Would have liked to have seen that. Oh, that's cool. So, this is actually see-through. I really appreciate it when model companies do that. The engine is actually pretty well detailed. That's actually really nice. They did a fantastic job on the engine bay. Oh, can you actually see through the grille? You can. Hard to see in the video, but you can actually see through the grille. You can see the radiator through the lower portion. Upper one, kind of hard to see what's going on because you got the plastic covering that right there. Alright, got that nasty tape stuff off. Take a quick look in the interior. I think it's actually quite well detailed. It's better than some of the 1/18 scale models that I've seen lately. And the shifter knob actually has the gears on it. That's pretty cool. SVT. Interesting. So this door does not actually want to open. It's like I'm about to rip it off. I can actually see the hinge moving a little bit farther than I want it to. So I'm not going to open that any farther. I like the cloth seat belts. So they did do the carpet on the interior in here. So the interior is actually pretty well detailed, and the engine is also very well detailed. So it's actually a really nice car. And actually, sorry, I just want to point out the detail on the tires too. Just notice how well detailed that is. The 255 45 19 that it says on there. That's ridiculous that they actually put that on there. That's cool. So with how detailed it is, I'm kind of curious as to why they didn't do more with the trunk. Oh well. Or a suspension. With this kind of, again, level of detail, you would expect that as well. But they didn't do that. Oh. But, I mean, overall, this is actually a really nice 180 scale model. Happy with Greenlight on this one. I know Greenlight's been kind of getting a lot of complaints lately with some of the stuff that they've been coming out with, but I gotta say, this is actually one of my favorites so far. So, let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. Do you have any Greenlight 180 scale models? If you got a video, make sure to post them. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, happy hunting.